Hi, everybody. Meteorologist Joe Cioffi here. Weather in 5 days in 5 minutes. Brought to you by Wholesale Holiday Lighting by Giannini at 162 Ocean Avenue in Lindenhurst, New York. Your complete holiday lighting specialist, meeting all your decorating needs. They've got everything you need to make your home look great for the holidays, or maybe if you've got this as a business and you need to get more decorations, check them out because they have plenty in stock. 631-957-5106. The website is liholidaylighting.com, and they do have extended hours this week for your convenience. And Omni True Value Hardware at 1226 North Wellwood Avenue in West Babylon, New York, where rock salt is front and center, and anything you need to get you through this upcoming winter. Snow melt products, snow blowers, shovels, whatever you need. 631-756-1125. They're at 1226 North Wellwood Avenue in West Babylon, and the website is omnitruevalue.com. Well, we finally had the last of three cold fronts move through today, and we saw a rather breezy, chilly Monday with clouds, and a few folks you might have gotten some in and out sun. We had some showers scattered around overnight and early this morning. Of course, those are long gone. And now we prepare for the core of the cold air to move on in, but it's going to be moving out later Tuesday, and we can already see that happening in the northern plains. You've got these clouds that are running from North Dakota southeastward into the middle Mississippi Valley. It's rather warm across the central and southern plains today, so some of that warm air is going to come east, and it is going to come in pretty quickly after we get through tomorrow. So tonight, a cold night. Clear sky, skies should at least partially clear. It'll still be breezy, so temperatures will be relatively uniform. Most lows will be in the upper 20s in the cold spots and low to mid 30s everywhere else. Radar-wise, as we check out the latest radar, we're seeing some lake effect snows that have been going on in parts of upstate New York. You see it there on the radar. The bands coming in off of Lake Erie and Lake Ontario. So it's that time of year, and in north central New York, east of the eastern shores of Lake Ontario, the snow has been particularly heavy in north central New York. So lake effect machine is on, and we're going to see that gradually diminish as we go through the night and into tomorrow. More energy coming into the west, and the system that you see here that's producing heavy rains from Washington down into Oregon for the umpteenth day in a row. That system is going to be coming east, and that's our next cold front, by the way, that's going to arrive sometime on Thursday. No issues from the Storm Prediction Center on their day 3 period. They begin to show an area of thunderstorms. So this is for Wednesday into Thursday in Texas, Louisiana, and in the lower Mississippi Valley. That's, again, that next cold front. And I think we're going to have to throw in the chance that we could see some thunderstorms late Thursday as that cold front passes, although fingers crossed that it doesn't turn out to be what happened on Saturday. By the way, the tornadoes that were confirmed, 2 on Long Island, for example, those were the first time on record that tornadoes were observed on Long Island in the month of November. And in fact, probably for most of the tri-state area, tornadoes are exceedingly rare. So it was quite an event indeed. WPC on their latest rainfall forecast, liquid amounts in the east, about 1/4 to 1/2 inch. The bulk of that is going to come with the cold front on Thursday. You can see higher amounts up in central and northern New England, and also back from the Catskills north and west to Lake Ontario. Some of that is what's going on today with the bands of precip. Not a whole lot of precip for the mid-Atlantic and South Atlantic coast. It's actually fairly dry for the next 7 days. And the activity still going on in the Pacific Northwest, but not quite as robust as what we've seen. So let's play out tonight and tomorrow. Still have a bit of a gradient here as we partially clear with a gusty breeze. The high moves off the South Atlantic coast on Tuesday, and then here comes the southwest wind. Highs for Tuesday will be in the 40s to around 50. Wednesday highs with sunshine should be 50s to near 60. This is the GFS for Wednesday evening. And then Thursday, here comes the next cold front with maybe some showers and storms late in the day Thursday into Thursday night. Then it's followed by another shot of cold air for Friday into Saturday. You see the lake effect going on in upstate New York and some snows in interior northern New England for Friday. Saturday looks like a good day to start off the weekend. And then Sunday, we've got another system that's going to be approaching from the lakes. I'm not sure whether the GFS is correct here in terms of the timing, trying to rush in some precip here Sunday morning in the form of some mostly rain showers, except maybe in some of the colder spots. But more importantly is the energy that comes in behind it on Monday, a diving upper low that heads to western Pennsylvania and reforms off our coastline into a rather powerful storm. Now, if this verifies, and by the way, the European has a very similar setup and is even stronger, the important part of this storm is that it may be the driver for the weather pattern for all of Thanksgiving week and going into the end of the month and the beginning of December. We have a blocking pattern developing in the North Atlantic, and that could mean, well, at least for some areas, it'll probably mean maybe an early onset of some wintertime weather in the longer range. We talk about that on our long range post, which you can see on my weather platform on Patreon, and we'll talk about that tonight on the Joe and Joe Weather Show. Weather in 5 brought to you by Omni True Value Hardware at 1226 North Wellwood Avenue in West Babylon, New York, 631-756-1125 for the best prices in town. OmniTrueValue.com is the website. And Wholesale Holiday Lighting by Giardini, your complete holiday lighting specialist, meeting all your decorating needs at 162 Ocean Avenue in Lindenhurst, New York, 631-957-5106. And the website is liholidaylighting.com. So enjoy your evening. Have the fireplace going. The Joe and Joe Weather Show at 7:30 Eastern Time to update you on the week ahead, the weekend, and the interesting weather pattern that is developing for Thanksgiving week and beyond. So we hope to see you tonight at 7:30 Eastern.